Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the dark mode on your account on X Switcher, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click on this icon here and now click off. That's it will be turned off, and that's how to turn off the dark mode on your account on X Switcher, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.